Good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning, and do you know what's a good thing to do on a Sunday morning? Brunch! Today we're gonna check out another great brunch place in Cebu. So check out this video. Second set is a Pinoy breakfast set. Now I have the fried rice, we have the slow roasted pork belly, the crispy bacon, the danggit, and the longganisa, as well as the sunny side up egg, big cooked sunny side up egg.
You sure there's hardly any?
My final plate before having desserts is I'm gonna try the chicken lasagna with some pandesal and honey cured bacon and some Danish blue cheese. I asked my friend Jay what's a good dessert here. They said that the chocolate fudge bar is pretty good. So I'm also gonna get this butterscotch pudding. And I got some fruits here, mangoes, papaya, and watermelon, but then just get the mangoes and papaya. I'll have some coffee with this. So it was an awesome brunch, and if you're looking for a good place for a Sunday brunch, you know where to go. It's just one word, Kayu. Located at the 32 Sanson Road. So Kayu PH for the best brunch, Sunday brunch in Cebu. I'm gonna run down my top 10 dishes that I tried in this brunch. So at number 10, of course, are their breads. You have sticky buns, pandesals, and torta. A good selection. If you like breads for breakfast, yeah, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it here. Number 9 would be the fruits. They have good fruit selection. I enjoyed my mangoes, the papayas, and the watermelons. It's good. It's sweet. It is a perfect meal starter for some people, and for me, it was a perfect meal ender. Number 8 would be the cheeses. They have assorted cheeses here. It's a good selection. They have brie, they have some blue cheese, the Danish blue cheese. And yeah, if you love cheese with some bread, it's gonna be a good cheesy Sunday morning for you. Number 7 would be your eggs. So you can basically customize your eggs. You can have cook it in sunny side up. I had omelette and sunny side up the day, and those both were really good. Number 6 would be the pancakes and waffles, because if you want to start an American breakfast, they also have pancakes and waffles. Number 5 would be the Filipino fare, because I love the Filipino dishes here. They have longganisa, they have danggit, which is so good with their fried rice. Number 4 are bacon. Bacon's my favorite, and here you have two choices. You can have the crispy bacon, and if you don't want it crispy, they have the honey cured bacon, which is cooked just wet and right. And number 3, you have to try their chicken lasagna. It's one of the best out there, and I really love it. Oh, number 2, they have this guava barbecue glazed chicken. The sauce is so good. The chicken's crispy. Wow, talking about it makes me salivate even. And number 1 for me is their slow roasted pork belly. It's their main carving dish. It's crispy, it's tender. 1 serving is not enough. So check it out and tell me what are your favorites here.
Hey guys, we're open for brunch here at Kayu from 9 to 2 at 8:90. See you.